So what's the difference between a web designer, a web developer, and a web partner?
Well, a designer, generally speaking, is someone who takes care of what we, within the industry, call look and feel. He's responsible for the colors that are chosen, how a page is laid out. Most importantly, frankly, is how the menu system works, how the structure of the site looks, making sure that it's user-friendly and that people can find the information that they want quickly. Because that is an important factor, as we've got statistics that show that if people get confused within the first 3 to 5 seconds once they get to a website, they bail and they are out of there. He may also come in and be involved in, if for instance it's a small one-man, two-man practice, hasn't even developed a logo or some kind of mark, logo type, the designer can help with that. Developer usually applies to the more technical aspects. So you have several different types of programming that can be involved depending on how complicated a website is. When you talk about a web partner, which is the term that we prefer, you're talking about a more overall team that takes those individuals and several more and makes them work like a team. To use a hackneyed sports analogy, you can't have a football team made up of all quarterbacks. He wouldn't ever get a chance to throw the ball. So essentially you have not only the web designer or the look and feel person, you not only have the programmers and the technical people, but if you're approaching it from a holistic point, from an overall, not only marketing, but what can it do for my firm in-house, then you also need copywriters, you need search engine marketing people, which includes a search engine optimization team, and they all need to work in conjunction with each other. And that means a well-oiled machine, having a team that has done this numerous times and works together and understands what the capabilities and limitations of each other are.
So, I mean, it seems like that the websites are a lot more than just print on a page at this point in time.
Oh, yes, yes. State-of-the-art 1995 was what you're describing right now. They were called brochure sites, where essentially it was just, you know, your picture, your CV, where you went to school and some prior experience, and maybe something about the type of cases you run. But now, again, depending on what the goals of the law firm are, it can be far-reaching. Anything from its major marketing tool to, for frankly, larger firms, but doesn't have to be multinational size, client communications, having shared calendars, intranets, extranets, so it can become very complicated.